How to delete your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can delete your YouTube channel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now remember that I'm only talking about your YouTube channel and not the YouTube account or Google account. You only want to remove the content and the channel itself. Now to do this, if you're on mobile, that's also perfectly fine. It is possible on mobile. If you're on laptop or computer, even better. Now if you're on mobile, if you have the YouTube Studio app, make sure to uninstall the application, and then what you want to do is come to your browser and just come to studio.youtube.com. I repeat, studio.youtube.com. I'm also going to make sure to drop a link below. Make sure you sign into your proper YouTube account, then just zoom over here. Once you zoom in, you'll find this little gear icon from the bottom left. So this icon is going to be at the bottom left of the screen. Make sure to tap that. As you do that, you'll find the settings menu pop up, where you simply need to go to this option here known as channel. Once you go to channel, on the right hand side you can see basic info, advanced settings, and this. So you want to simply go to advanced settings. When you come to advanced settings, just scroll down over here, and then you should find this option called remove YouTube content. All you have to do is now just tap the remove YouTube content option. It will ask you for a confirmation whether you would like to simply go ahead and then basically delete your YouTube channel. After you enter your verification method, your YouTube channel will get successfully deleted. This way you will be able to delete your YouTube channel. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.